Hello people. So this is my fourth video of the day, and I have to say this people that as of yesterday I went to this courier, this DTDC courier center, and I couriered this book called When a Lawyer Walks Down the Aisle. It looks a bit childish, but basically people, this book is about it's loosely based on a true life incident that took place in Hyderabad, um, involving a double murder. Yeah, so but that's what I can hardly describe this book. So it's called When a Lawyer Walks Down the Aisle, and the reason I couriered this book was people. There is this, you know, you check out this site called, like, I mean, Spill Poetry. Spill Poetry had Veer Hirani, the son of Mrs. Manjeet Hirani and Mr. Rajkumar Hirani, who's the celebrated director in the country. So his son, he recited a poem, self-written poem, I presume. It was called A Hero Like Robert De Niro. A Hero Like De Niro, that was the title, and you'll have to check it out people, because it is brilliant. So I was so impressed with this kid, that kid, yeah, because he must be 17, 18, that's it. So I felt I just wanted to, as a gesture of thanks, I wanted to just courier this book and send it to him, because I feel when you see like certain out of the world type talent, people should you should take steps to encourage it, yeah, in whatever way. I used to do that as a faculty member also. When any kid was doing well in class, I would make sure to buy them a chocolate, or I would have these posters, inspirational posters, that I would give. So that was the thing. But yeah people, so this is so cool. You all should check out Spill Poetry. It is something else. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.